uMama noKhulekane abasukume bamlandele kanti abahlalayo ethempelini lenkosi abahlale noSiphamandla. Cha guys, kushubile kumkhokha kuleli viki. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on umkhokha from the 26th to the 30th of August 2024 on Monday. Khulekane rewrite the history of Judea. Mamzobe deals differ a card he didn't see coming. The church is split and sent everyone into a total spin on Tuesday. The faithful of Ithempeli lenkosi stand up the crossroad as they decide which century will they call home. Ndlovu pledges his alliance to one of the Mthembu brothers. The spill causes tension in the Gumede house on Wednesday. Manzimande has had it with Khulekane and Nomkhosi. Mamzobe defers to Mthembu. When elephant fights, the grass suffers on Thursday. Manzimande knows another side of herself when pushed to the limit. Maphalala wants Mazungu to stay on the straight and narrow. Spamandla has no choice but to suspend the church on Friday. Nomkhosi stokes the fire of anger in Khulekane. Differ cancel a family plans because of Mamzobe's action. Ndlovu reveals a Mthembu family secret to put it in the nail, or to put a nail in the coffin. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.